is not actually a scenario. This is a video that came to my mind.
This is the test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an actual emergency, a broadcast of necessary information regarding the emergency would play after the system tone. No public action is needed at this time. To repeat, this is only a test. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
What the? Hey you, who are you?
Oh, hi Paul. Yes, Federal Emergency Management Agency did some changes because you were 10 minutes late.
What? Changes? No. I know some people say this. But I blame the traffic every time if I'm late.
Why do you keep on blaming traffic? Dude, you are like 2 minutes away from the station. You should have been here extremely early, not blaming traffic. And why you love being late, there's less traffic here. What were you doing?
Um. 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 Um.
I just realized. You were meeting your girlfriend. Oh wait, you're single. Ha 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 ha.
No, that's not the point. Ugh. You know what? Get out.
Hey www dude. No, I don't wanna leave. I miss being here anyways, even though I'm a retired man. I may be old. But guess what? I'm still standing no matter what the fuck ever. You know what, I'm still gonna say no, even though Tom is still in the station building. I'm still not gonna leave because I wanna talk to Tom real quick. I wonder where he is. Oh never mind, I'm gonna annoy you because I'm bored. Ha 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 ha.
Get out.
No.
Yes.
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 No 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 no. I don't wanna leave. Fuck. Let's fight then.
Nah. Take this then.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
I guess my automatic coconut thrower was a good thing. I guess.
Is everything alright here?
Nah, we're good.
Oh, okay then bye.
Okay, we're still on the air. Let me see here. There it is.
Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be. Okay, this might be the end credits theme. Okay, anyways, I'm bored, so I'm not gonna do this.